This is Learn English with Ease.
English made powerful, simple, and yours.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Ease. I'm Emma, and as always, I'm here with Jack.
Hi everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that makes everyone smile. Food. Seriously, who doesn't love talking about food?
Absolutely. But you know, Jack, when people learn English, food is tricky. It's not just about naming dishes. It's about feelings, memories, and how to express what you love naturally.
Yes. Many learners freeze when someone asks, "What's your favorite food?" You know it in your heart, but the words disappear.
Exactly. So today we'll practice talking about our favorite foods, describe tastes and feelings, and even use some idioms you can drop into real conversations.
Let's start simple. Emma, what's your favorite food?
Oh, that's easy. I'd say sushi. I love how it looks so beautiful. The colors, the textures. Every bite feels like a tiny piece of art.
Nice. For me, pizza. Cheesy, warm, fresh from the oven. It's comfort, happiness, memories all in one slice.
Yum. And see, just by saying why we like it, our answer becomes natural and interesting. Learners, try this with us. I love sushi because it's fresh and colorful, or I love pizza because it's cheesy and comforting.
And don't forget adjectives. Sweet, spicy, salty, creamy, crispy, savory. All of these make your English sound alive.
Let's practice a few together. I love ice cream because it's sweet and creamy. Your turn, Jack.
I enjoy fried chicken because it's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside.
Perfect. And smile while you speak. It actually helps your tone sound natural. English isn't just words, it's emotion.
Speaking of emotion, food is a wonderful conversation starter. Imagine meeting someone new. Asking, "What kind of food do you like?" is easy, friendly, and instantly makes the other person open up.
Right, let's practice a mini conversation. I'll start. What's your favorite food?
I really like pasta. And you?
I love sushi. It's light and tasty.
See? Simple, friendly, and you can even add a story. I love pizza because my dad used to make it on weekends. That personal touch makes your English memorable.
That's beautiful. And for those learners who want some more expressions, here are a few you can use anytime. I'm a big fan of I can't live without, or I'm craving.
Let's try them together. I'm a big fan of Thai food. I can't live without coffee. I'm craving ice cream.
Amazing. Already sounds natural, right?
Now, sometimes you try food you don't like. Instead of saying, "I hate it," try polite expressions. "It's not really my thing," or "I tried it once, but it wasn't for me."
Exactly. And you can even add a sensory detail. I tried durian once, but it wasn't really my thing. The smell was strong, but the taste was okay. Polite, natural, friendly.
And this is why describing food isn't just about flavor. It's about smell, sound, texture, and even memories. For example, "The soup smells amazing," or "The noodles feel soft and warm."
That's right. Let's make it more fun. Practice describing one of your favorite dishes using sensory words.
I'll go first. I love my mom's chicken soup because it's warm, tender, and reminds me of home.
Beautiful. Here's mine. I enjoy sushi because it's fresh, colorful, and delicate. Every bite feels like a small celebration.
See how rich that sounds? Now let's talk about ordering in a restaurant. Learners freeze here too, but it's simple.
Yes, start with I'd like or can I have, add please, and you're polite and confident. Example, I'd like a bowl of noodles, please. Or, can I have the chicken salad, please? Emma, and if you want something special, can I have it without onions? Or, could you make it a little less spicy, please?
Don't worry about being perfect. Clarity and friendliness matter more than grammar.
Exactly. Even pausing for a second is okay. English is for connection, not perfection.
And if something isn't right with your order, you can politely say, "Excuse me, this is a bit too salty for me." Or, "Could I have it a little warmer, please?"
Now let's explore comfort food. Jack, what's your comfort food?
Chicken soup. My mom used to make it when I was sick. It feels like a warm hug in a bowl.
Mine's warm rice with fried egg. Simple, peaceful, homey. Comfort food is personal, and sharing it in English connects hearts, not just words.
That's why stories are powerful. Spaghetti reminds me of my trip to Italy, or hot chocolate makes me feel like a child again.
Yes, every food carries a story. And now, vocabulary spotlight. 7 words to describe food naturally. Savory, rich in flavor, not sweet. I love savory snacks like fries. Tender, soft and easy to chew. The steak is tender and juicy. Crunchy, crispy bite sound. I like crunchy cookies. Flavorful, full of taste. This soup is flavorful and delicious. Spicy, hot and strong flavor. Indian curry is very spicy. Fresh, just made or natural. The salad tastes fresh. Rich, heavy, strong in flavor. This chocolate cake is so rich.
Let's practice combining them. I love tender steak. I prefer spicy noodles. I enjoy fresh juice in the morning.
Excellent. Now food idioms.
Piece of cake, something very easy. That exam was a piece of cake.
Spill the beans. Reveal a secret. Come on, spill the beans. What happened?
Cool as a cucumber. Calm under pressure. Emily stayed cool as a cucumber during the live show.
Big cheese. Important person. He's the big cheese in the company.
Have a lot on your plate. Very busy. I can't hang out tonight. I have a lot on my plate.
See? Fun and practical.
Finally, let's talk about culture. Food is connection. Japan says itadakimasu before eating. Italy spends hours at the table sharing stories.
And expressing this in English connects people globally. Everything looks delicious. Thank you. This is wonderful. I'm full. Thank you. It was great.
Food teaches gratitude. Every meal is a reminder of luck and connection.
Learning English is similar. Some lessons are spicy, some are sweet, but all help you grow. Mistakes are part of the recipe.
Exactly. Even if you mispronounce a word, you're still practicing. Each word adds confidence.
And confidence is the secret ingredient in language learning.
So, whether you love pizza, noodles, or soup, use English to share flavors, memories, and feelings.
Before we finish, final vocabulary spotlight. Delicious, yummy, appetizing, bland, greasy, healthy, guilty pleasure. Repeat after us.
Amazing learners. Today you practiced talking about your favorite food, sharing stories, using idioms, and speaking politely in restaurants.
And most importantly, you spoke with emotion. Because English without feeling is like food without flavor.
Comment below. My favorite food is kalixaos because you sha sak. We'll read your answers in the next episode.
Subscribe, like, and share with a friend who loves food as much as you do. Keep practicing. Keep adding flavor to your English every day.
This is Jack.
And this is Emma.
Thanks.